Philip, the trainer, you are in the hole. For those of you who don't know, using that kind of language on deck in the hole, that's a traditional thing that comes from Olympic weightlifting and powerlifting, referring to where the athletes stand when they're up for their next attempts. So while I might make fun of powerlifters, they adopt their language. So maybe I'm being a hypocrite. But hey, yeah.
Come on, keep it moving, keep it moving, come on!
Oh, I love watching this.
Yeah, come on, Ted!
We got yoke.
Yeah, come on, almost there! Push it, push it, push it, push it!
We got a train in the background. Lots of heavy metals getting moved around all over the place. That's right, ladies and gentlemen.